for northeastern Beaver County until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Knowles, or 16 miles southwest of Englewood, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Gate and Knowles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Beaver, Oklahoma,